Here's a look at your motor grader rodeo course. Obstacle number 1 is the lateral ditch cleanout. The objective of this obstacle is to simulate cleaning out a lateral ditch from the road. The operator will be required to keep the left tandem outside of a foul line. Using articulation, wheel lean, blade, and circle functions, the objective is to reach out and strike the cones and tip them over. 2 cones are set at the maximum reach for a bonus score. Obstacle number 2 are the offset alleys. The objective of this obstacle is to simulate maneuvering a grader through multiple objects while removing snow. The operator will be required to maneuver the grader through the 3 alleys and also will be required to hit the 3 target cones placed between each alley by utilizing mold board, wheel lean, and the articulation portion of the grader. The operator will be required to accomplish this task in a continuous motion operation without hitting any other portion of the alleys. Obstacle number 3 is the bull grading course. Blocks are arranged on stands of different heights. The objective is to knock the blocks off the stands without knocking over the stands. Each block has a value of 25 points. Obstacle number 4 is the alley dock. The alley dock tests the operator's ability to back the grader into a confined space. The operator must back into the space without hitting the sides and must stop as close to the back of the barricade as possible without hitting it. At the back of the obstacle, it is the operator's responsibility to sound the horn. When the horn sounds, the judge will measure the distance from the top left-hand corner of the ripper on the rear of the grader to the back of the barricade. Obstacle number 5 is the serpentine. The objective of this obstacle is to test the operator's ability to maneuver the grader through an offset serpentine, simulating objects in the roadway. The operator will be required to maneuver the grader through the offset cones without touching any object. The task must be accomplished in a continuous motion operation. Obstacle number 6 is the curb ice pull. The objective of this obstacle is to test the operator's ability to negotiate a tight right turn. The operator will be required to negotiate a tight right turn while striking the grade blocks on the radius turn. The operator must accomplish this task in a continuous motion operation without going outside the set boundaries. Obstacle number 7, diminishing clearance. The objective of this obstacle is to test the operator's ability to properly align the grader and judge distance on either side of the unit. The operator is to negotiate the grader between the cones, which are gradually set closer together, without hitting any of the obstacles. This must be accomplished in a continuous motion operation. Final time for the course will be established as the front axle passes over the finish line.